How to add a profile picture in your Wise account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to personalize your Wise account, well, let me show you how to add your profile picture quickly in the Wise app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. Now from here, you simply have to tap on your profile icon at the top again, and once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can see two options. So here you can simply select take a photo option to snap a new one, or you can choose the option that says choose from library to pick an existing image. So here I'm going to simply tap on the second option, and after that I'm going to simply select the photo that I want to put as my profile picture, and after that I need to adjust the photo as needed. So here I'm going to simply adjust the photo, and once adjusted I'm going to simply tap on use photo, which can be seen at the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, your profile picture will be updated. And that's it. That's how you can update or add a profile picture in your Wise account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.